Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button and I recommend that you press it. What ends up happening, it's called the notification bell, is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture, and if you press on the picture, it'll take you directly to the video. You'll also see a title, so if it's something that you want to watch right away, like I said, just click on the picture and it acts like a shortcut, or it sits in your inbox waiting for you to watch it a little bit later. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. All right, today for me it's a little bit of a sad day, solely for the reason that this is going to be the last Sephora Play box. This is almost like, it's sad for me because it's one of the boxes that I started with way before I even decided to have a channel. I thought it was such a luxury for $10 to get a peek inside the Sephora world and letting them give us a taste of some of the products that were available in their stores. And like all of us, well, at least for me, for me it was one of the it was like my Disneyland. It was something that was always a little bit out of my reach when I started enjoying makeup, but it was always a place that when I finally went to a mall that I was able to walk in and enjoy and learn so much about makeup. So this is going to be a little sad. I know that I did a video answering all the questions that Sephora had on their website in reference to, you know, the box. They really didn't give a reason why they're stopping it, but I think to do a $10 box, shipping, boxing, all that stuff, even if they're getting all these products, you know, for probably nothing from the suppliers that have, you know, their products full size in their stores. A couple of people wrote to me that, you know, now it's going to be the 100 points we're going to have to use just to get one sample, where for $10 we were getting, you know, 5 samples. It's just a little sad because it was something that if you couldn't really afford to go into Sephora and buy, at least you were able to play and see what all the hype was all about. And to me, it was also a way to test products before you bought the full size. I'm not saying Sephora is not going to be doing something, because they definitely probably are. They've mentioned they're going to have some $25 a bag that's called the Luxe bag, which I've seen in the past, but it came in the past with an actual purse that I remember. This time it looked like it's just going to be a box, but it's going to be introducing their higher ends like Glamour and Chanel and all those. This was, to me, a box that gave us a little taste of some of the mid-range, not the highest end, because the highest end was always considered luxe, but I also think they're going to be doing some other things also, but they are definitely not doing the subscription box anymore. That they made really, really clear. And for me, it's always been a luxury to get the subscription boxes, because time-wise, I don't have the luxury of time to be sitting on a website and going through what's available and, you know, trying to get in when everyone else is trying to get in, and then feeling disappointed that I didn't get it and things like that. So the subscription boxes for me, I sign up and then I'm pleasantly surprised, you know, a few times during the month to do these openings. And so that's why I like getting the subscription boxes. So for everybody else, you know, I did stop my Sephora Play for a good year because I was getting a lot of repeats and things like that. So I think they were running out of ideas of how to fill this $10 box to make everybody happy, but I did miss it and I did restart it. And now I'm disappointed that here I love them and now they're breaking up with us. That's how I feel. So anyways, long story short, let's get into the box, because otherwise this is going to be a long video, and it's really just a simple box. So Sephora Play always comes now with these little plastic bags, and that will be the last one, so I probably will keep this one, where before I wasn't keeping them at all. They also put in the box something really, I thought was, I don't understand. So this is some stickers. I guess the younger generation loves this. For me, I don't know, so if anything, I'll leave it for, you know, on the side to see if it's something that other people would be interested in. What I got in my box, I got to see a couple of people, because I was looking to see what was going to be in the boxes, seeing if they were going to leave us all with a big bang, you know, like, you know, something extra special in the boxes, but it's just a regular box. I don't know if it was a last minute decision for them to cancel or because of, you know, the way the world is changing right now. I'm really not sure, but you always get a cute little brochure in her, and they give you what is going to be in your box, and they give you a little bit of a snippet of the information that's in there. I'm just going to move the box off the table so I have a little bit more room, and then that's it. So I'm disappointed with a couple of the items because I saw some girls get some lipsticks and stuff, and for some reason I got a lipstick pack and things like that. So they're making it easier to close my eyes to the end of the Sephora play, but like I said, there's always at least a couple of things in here that I'm really excited that they had the opportunity to put in the box for me to try. But like I said, it's all going to still be available on the website. It's just going to be a different realm for me to go on and double check it. Anyways, long story short, let's get started. Okay, so this, the first item in here, I'm happy was in the box. It is from Makeup Forever. I got introduced to this type of lip pencil, which is a universal pencil from Makeup Forever that I've really enjoyed, and I'm happy that this is in the box. So I did I open up my box beforehand to take the picture for Instagram if you're not familiar with my channel, and then I come on here and I play with everything. So I start to reopen things so that I'm not struggling on the channel with you guys. So here we go. So the first item here is from Makeup Forever. It is the Artiste color pencil in the number 904. It's called Worldly Mauve. It's a universal makeup pencil for lips, eyebrows, eyes, and cheeks in a muted mauve shade. They're saying how to use it. You can apply the pencil onto your eyes, your lips, or your cheeks for a refined look, or blend out to, so you can see the color. I've never used this on my cheeks, but I have, in a pinch, had this in my purse. But this color is not the color that I have. Mine is more of a muted color. This one is saying it's a mauve. I did it a couple of times. I'll do it just one so you guys can see what one swipe looks like. This is definitely not a color that I would wear on my lips, but I would definitely wear it on my eyes. And in a pinch, if you know, you need to do a little bit something on your eyebrow, but it does have a mauvey tinge to it. So I wouldn't call this the most universal pencil, but that's what they say it is. And like I said, this is in the color Worldly Mauve. The next item in here is from Makeup Eraser, and I got the huge one in all the colors, and I got one in my FabFitFun, I think. So this is like, they are pushing me to try this product. And this one is the cutest size I've ever seen. It's the smallest one. So probably this is the one that I'm going to try first. It is this tiny, tiny guy, and it's called the Makeup Eraser. They also have inside, and it does come in a full retail box, even for these little sample sizes. And inside here, they do have instructions on what it's all about, how to use it. So they did a great job on this being a sample size, but it is a little guy. So what they wrote on this one is they're saying it is the original Makeup Eraser makeup remover cloth. It will help you remove your makeup with nothing but this cloth and warm water, and it will be about 1,000 washes. Yes, 1,000 washes. What an overachiever. They're saying how to use it. You can machine wash in hot water before you're using, soak in warm water, then use the short fiber side to erase makeup, and then in circular motions. And they're saying this is an exclusive to Sephora. And if you can see, it has a longer hair there, and then a shorter one on this side. Really, really soft. I gotta try this because at this point, they're screaming at me that they're putting in every box is for me to try. All right, the next item in here is from BELIF, and this is that small sample size that we get of this product, but I really enjoy the BELIF products, and this is a Moisturizing Eye Bomb. And this one, what they wrote is they're saying this is our pièce de resistance. Our product is a lightweight cream that delivers a burst of moisture and a boost in the appearance in your skin's elasticity for 26 hours. They're saying this has tiger grass, which will soothe your skin, and it will help detoxify the skin. So this is the type of packaging that it looks like it's small here, but if you look, it's even smaller because it has that little fake bottom in here. But eye bombs, you really have to use very little. So I'm just going to take the little bit that's on the lid here, and supposedly what I've learned is you put it on your ring finger because supposedly that's your weakest finger. You tap in between your two, and then that should be enough to go around your entire orbital bone. Don't go too close to your eyes or you will get that tearing. It will migrate up. So just place it all the way around. Don't forget your crow's feet around the sides and you should be fine. So that's that item there. So I'm never upset when there's an eye cream in a bag because I enjoy them so much. The next item is from from Fresh. It is their Soy Fresh Cleanser. I got a large one of this. I'm still using up my other cleansers, so I'm trying to like not mix and match too much, but I always do because I want to test all the products before I even sit down to write a review. So I want to make sure that I test it. So this, I'm really happy, came in the box because it's a smaller size and I'll be able to test this before I can start my big one that I received, the full size one that I got in one of the boxes. So this one is called Fresh Soy Fresh Cleanser. Fresh is a really great brand. It is more on the expensive side, so that's why I really enjoy when they're put in these $10 play boxes. All right, this go-to formula removes dirt and makeup without stripping the skin of its essential moistures. Its skincare routine is a basic you didn't know you needed. They're saying the ingredients, it has amino acid rich soy proteins, which will help maintain elasticity, cucumber extract, which will soothe your skin, and rose water, which calms and balances. So let's open her up. There is no safety seal, which I'm really surprised from a brand like Fresh. And then, like I said, it is a cleanser, and it's silly to be putting that on the hand, but I just want to, yeah, it's too much comes out. This will definitely be one that I'll be able to try. The reason I'm putting a cleanser on my hand is I just want to see if there is an aroma to it. Very, very, I just got it on my nose. Very, very slight, very, very slight. But let's see if, yeah, and it did take off really easily the Makeup Forever eye pencil. So that's a good thing. All right, the next item in here is one that I enjoy. This is from IT Cosmetics. It is called the Secret Sauce. This is also a very, very expensive product. It came in this beautiful packaging. Inside this little box is the little guy here. Secret Sauce is one of their more expensive products from IT Cosmetics. It also has that bottom. So I will open this up and show it to you, but let me read you what they wrote about it because it is impressive. They're saying this is an anti-aging moisturizer. It is a rich formula that helps your skin hold to moisture and reduce the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles. They're saying the ingredients for collagen is in here. It helps the skin appear smooth. They have peptides in here which will help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It has hyaluronic acid which will lock in your moisture, and sunflower seed extract, which is a natural that protects against your environmental stressors. So I will open her up to show you guys, and I'm really, really impressed with the IT Cosmetic products, but it is definitely filled to the rim. There's a little bit on the cap here. It has a really good seal to it so that when you do close it, it does close really tightly, so that I just think it keeps it fresher. So there we go. Here I'm going to put a little bit on my skin here, and then you'll see when I rub it in. It is such a luxury cream. It spreads beautifully. You really don't need a lot, and you shouldn't use a lot because you should treat this like as if you just bought a really expensive jar. So if you did get this in your bag, or you ever see it as an opportunity to get with your points, or on any add-on, it is definitely one to add to your wants list because it is a fantastic cream. But like I said, it is expensive. So when I get them in these type of jars, I stick with it for as long as I can before I switch to another cream, because that's how luxurious it is and how fantastic it is on the skin. This is the hand that I just did that little dab, and then this is my other hand, and you can see the luminosity, the hydration. You can see the difference. Really, really pretty. And then the last item we got in here, I don't even know if you guys want me to swatch this. This is one of these packets that are from Kat Von D. Supposedly Kat Von D is not involved anymore, and they're still calling it now KVD. So this to me is a bunch of stuff that they had in their back drawer, and they had to get rid of it because they're not even calling the company Kat Von D anymore. I really enjoyed her products. I'm hoping, I know that the company that made it is still the company making the products, so I'm really happy about that. I enjoy so much. Her contour palette was one of the first higher end products that I, went into Sephora and made sure to get and repurchased, as well as her tattoo eyeliners, her bullet lipsticks, I think are fantastic. So I'm happy that the company that was making it with her is still calling itself, KVD, but they're saying it stands for vegan and a bunch of other things now. But this coming in the box is a little bit disappointing to me. But these are the colors that are here. It is called Outlaw, Lolita, and Vampire. And that's what they look like here. So I was going to swatch these so I can show you guys, but I don't even think I'm going to, because I don't think I'll leave it for like in a giveaway that I'm going to be giving, or a care package that I'm going to give to a friend, because these, once you open them, you've got to definitely use them all, and you definitely get more than one lipstick use out of these. I have tried Outlaw. It is a really pretty color. Lolita is her famous color. She now does it in, I got a blush in it. I think I even did a giveaway on that blush, so Lolita is nice. Vampire is not a shade that I would use, but maybe, for Halloween or something like that, you need these darker colors, that's something there. Or these are the colors that, call your name, they just don't call mine. So that's the last item in here. So like I said, this is the last Sephora play. Is it a great box? If you go through all of these, and if I knew I was getting a box next month, I'd say it's not my favorites and all that. But I have always said that I enjoy the play box. I think all of these are an absolute treat. To get all of these opportunities to try products for $10, I think is absolutely fantastic. And these are all fantastic brands. So I'm really looking forward to finding out what they're planning on doing next. I know I mentioned in my video where I spoke to you guys about the Sephora play that they're doing something about a Luxe box, and there's been some sneak peeks and stuff. We'll see. If anything is of interest or is really screaming my name, you will definitely see it on my channel. But for now, we're going to keep our ears and eyes open to see what they're planning on doing next. But what's important now is us being safe and healthy and enjoying our time at home, because hopefully this will all soon come to an end, and we can all go back to our crazy, hectic lives and just enjoy. So to me, the most important thing is that we're all healthy. If you're watching this and it's bringing a little bit of sunshine into your life, that's why I'm doing this. I love sharing this. This is what makes me happy, and playing with makeup and skincare and finding new finds has always been my little bit of my escape. So hopefully when you tune in here, it ends up being one for you guys too. So once again, thank you so much for spending some of your day with me. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye for now.